Hi everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to be talking about the amazing things that water can do for your body. So, let's get started. Here are some of the benefits of drinking water. The human body is made up of about 60% water. Water is also found in every cell in the body, and it plays a role in many important functions. For example, water helps to transport nutrients to the cells, remove waste products from the cells, and it regulates body temperature. This helps you to perform better and avoid heat-related injuries. When you're hot, water helps to cool you down by evaporating from your skin. And when you're cold, water helps to warm you up by conducting heat from your body. Water also helps to flush toxins out of your body. When you sweat, you're actually sweating out toxins that your body doesn't need. And water helps to keep your kidneys healthy, which are responsible for filtering out toxins from your blood. Water is also essential for digestion. It helps to break down food and absorb nutrients. And it also helps to prevent constipation, which is one of the signs of dehydration. Water is also important for your brain function and helps reduce headaches. Water helps to keep your skin hydrated and plump, which can reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. It also helps to remove toxins from your skin, which can improve its overall appearance. When you're dehydrated, your brain doesn't function as well. So you may have trouble concentrating, and you may feel tired or irritable. And finally, water is important for your overall health and well-being. It helps to keep your joints lubricated, and it helps to protect your organs and tissues. So, those are just a few of the benefits of drinking water. As you can see, water is essential for your health. Here are some bonus tips on water. The amount of water you need to drink per day varies depending on your age, activity level, and climate. Some good sources of water include tap water, bottled water, filtered water, and unsweetened beverages like tea. Avoid drinking sugary drinks and coffee, as these can actually dehydrate you. If you find it difficult to drink plain water, try adding a slice of lemon or lime, or a few drops of fruit juice. Drinking water is a simple way to improve your health. So make it a priority to drink plenty of water every day. Let us know in the comments below what other health benefits you know about drinking water. Thanks for watching. And if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, as we appreciate the support. And subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. We hope you learned something new about the benefits of drinking water. See you next time, and remember to stay hydrated.